Alright guys, so we did finish the swap on the yellow truck, which was a frame from this truck. I didn't get to record on how to change the bed and the bumper, but it's pretty straightforward. Don't mind the trash. It has 6 of those bolts. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and then it has another 2 on the front. From there, the lights, you have to get them out to unplug the wiring, and the wiring is attached to the bed from the bottom, so you have to unplug like 2 little clips that it has. There's also the plug for this on the back. You have to loosen it up as well. And the bumper, it has about 5 bolts. Can't miss them. This is one of them, but it's supposed to be 1, 2, and like another 3 somewhere around here. Okay. And that's on both sides. But yeah, what we ended up doing is we put it up in the lift, put one arm here, and then here in the back, what we did is we put a strap from there to here, and we put the engine hoist to lift it up on the back, and from there the lift up the front, and we moved the truck out, put the other one back in, and that's how we did it. But I completely forgot to do that process, record that process. But this one is done. Everything is back on this one, and now the guy picked up the other truck already. And this one's gonna be sent back to his house until we're ready to do the front clip swap on his older truck. And then the rest, I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but yeah, the process is done. Alright guys, like always, I appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, sharing, and doing everything that you guys do. Appreciate you all. Thank you. To the next one.